Hi everyone, welcome to Sri Lankan Cuisine channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Sri Lankan style carrot curry. So let's start with the ingredients now. I have taken here 400 grams of carrot. I have cut it into slices like this. And I have taken here half an onion slice, some curry leaves, some green chilies and some garlic chopped. 1.5 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some cinnamon sticks and some fenugreek seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, some mustard seeds and some cumin seeds. Salt is always to your taste. 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 cup of thick coconut milk, and I will use 1/4 teaspoon of mustard paste. So I have turned on the flame now and I'm using a clay pot today. Let's add the oil first to the pan and let's get the oil heated. Then I will add the cinnamon sticks first and then the fenugreek seeds. Then I will add the mustard seeds to the dish and also the cumin seeds. Then the curry leaves and the chilies, green chilies and the chopped garlic and the onions. So let's give it a mix and fry it until golden brown. So as you can see, the onions are fried now. I'm going to add the turmeric powder first. Then I will add the unroasted curry powder. Then the 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. If you don't like chili powder, you can omit this. Let's give it a mix and let's add the salt now. Let's mix all the spices and ingredients together, then add the carrot. Give it a good mix. So I will add some water to this to get the carrot boiled. I add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and I will close this with a lid. So as you can see now, the carrots are well boiled. So now I'm going to add the thick coconut milk to this. This coconut milk is mixed with the 1/4 teaspoon of mustard paste. Let's give it a good mix. Let's get this cooked for nearly 2 to 2.5 minutes. So as you can see now, my carrot curry is the milk is boiling, so the curry is almost ready. So let's get this served now. I will turn off the flame. My kitchen smells so good at this moment. So this is the carrot dish that I made today. I hope you like this. When you have all the ingredients, give it a try. And if you like my video, please share this with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again with another delicious dish. I am Melissa.